Partner mo masyadong mabait? Ganito rin ba kayo? Yung partner ninyo na sobrang bait, nahihiyang magsingil ng tama sa customer? Ako, napakagandang tanong yan. So let me share with you yung kwento ng aking mentee na si Mikey at saka yung husband niya na si John. They run a curtains and blinds business. Si John, ang galing mag-install at saka napakadetalye sa mga measurements. Pero pagdating sa pricing discussions with clients, parang nawawala yung kanyang confidence. There was a time na 8,000 pesos pala dapat yung installation fee, pero 6,000 lang ang kino-quote niya kasi nahihiya siya. Si Mikey naman, kaya niyang mag-negotiate ng price. Pero ang dating nga, parang wala siyang puso. The clients felt pressured and some back out. Sabi ko sa kanila, you need to find the middle ground. So, ang ginawa namin, we created a simple system. Si John focuses on explaining the technical details and quality of materials to clients. Si Mikey naman handles the pricing decisions, but with a warmer approach. Kaya ang results, clients appreciate their transparency at hindi na naabuso si John. Kaya anak, the lesson is this. Balance your roles without losing your individual strengths as a couplepreneur. Your partner's kindness is an asset, but it needs boundaries. And then your ability to handle tough conversations is also valuable, pero kailangan lang ng konting warmth. Kaya, work together, not against each other. I hope this helps, anak, and let's be business-minded Pinoy. At kung ready to do better na kayo sa inyong negosyo, get your free starter kit from our website. The link is in the comment section.